In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your Instagram following and follower list. Whether you want more privacy or just don't want everyone seeing who you follow, I have got a couple of solutions for you. First, launch your Instagram and navigate to your profile page. Here, you can see your followers and following list, and anyone visiting your profile can see this too. If you have a business or a creator account, you'll need to switch to a personal account. So click on three bars and scroll and navigate to the section Account Type and Tools and switch your account to the personal account. After switching, you can head back. Now scroll and find the option Account Privacy, launch it, and enable for the option Private Account. Once you have switched to the private account, now only approved followers can see your followers and following list. If you want to hide it from specific followers, go to their profile, tap three dots and hit Remove Follower. And that's it. As if right now this is the only way to hide your followers and following list on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.